Tokenization is one of the fundamental concepts in large language models or generative AI. Large language models process text using tokens. Tokens are simply common sequences of characters found in a set of text. The LLMs learn to understand the statistical relationship between these tokens and then excel at producing the next token in a sequence of tokens. This new tool, which is called as Tokenwiz, helps you visualize the tokens produced out of text. It's a free tool, and I will drop the link in video's description. So all you need to do in order to use this tool is to select your model, and it's a Hugging Face model. So for example, in this one, for now you only have the option of llama to 7 billion, and then you have your text here. Once you paste your text here, it is creating a visualization of these tokens. So you can see that in the output at the bottom you have 76 tokens and 252 characters. You can also display it in token IDs. So if you click on token IDs here, you can see the token IDs out of it. Also, this tool is primarily helping you to understand how a piece of text might be tokenized by a LLM and the total count of tokens in that piece of text. Also, another thing which is a very subtle and important point is that exact tokenization process varies between model to model. Every day we are witnessing new models with different architecture, so maybe it this representation in numerical format or visual format might not be the same as you might witness in the LLMs. Also, one last point which is very important to mention is that this token visit is for Hugging Face models, and it has taken its inspiration from the previously and still quite popular tokenizer tool from OpenAI, where you can use any text with GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. So if you copy this text from here and paste it in this tokenizer of OpenAI's tool, then you will see that it has produced the same results, like it has 57 token and 252 character. So Hugging Face model or token we says it has 76 characters, whereas OpenAI says it has 57 characters. So this is the difference between the model architecture. And similarly, not only you can display that tokens in the text format, but you can also display it in the token IDs by toggling it. And this general rule of thumb is quite handy to remember, that a helpful rule of thumb is that one token generally correspond to 4 characters of text for common English text. But again, this is roughly, it's a rule of thumb. It's not the surefire way. Anyway, I hope that you found it useful. If you are already using it for any use case, please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.